In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Rockband guitar to Xbox 360. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily connect any Rockband guitar that you have to your Xbox 360. Now, to first check if the guitar is compatible with your Xbox 360, look at the model and make sure that it is available for Xbox 360 consoles, so you can check around the box or look through the manuals. Most Rock Band guitars should be compatible with the Xbox 360, but you might want to double check because depending on the model that you have, this isn't going to work. So once you have ensured the compatibility of your guitar model, turn on your console, so power on your Xbox 360 console, and you can go ahead and open the respective Rock Band game if you would like. Now, to actually set up the guitar, pop off the battery socket and make sure that all of the batteries needed are sufficiently filled. So usually this is going to be 2 or 3 AA batteries, so include them as needed. And once the batteries have been properly filled out, you will be able to press and hold the Xbox power button on the guitar itself. Once you press the Xbox button, you should see some lights blinking green or blue, indicating that the controller is now operational. Now, for you to actually synchronize the controller and the console, just press the sync button on the console itself, usually on the left of the CD drive, and once the Xbox logo on your console starts blinking, you will be able to go back into the guitar and press the same synchronize button. It should be under the Xbox power button on the guitar. By pressing and holding synchronize on both the console and the guitar itself, they should start pairing up. And once both of them have been synced up, then you will be able to use the Rock Band guitar on your Xbox 360. And you will be able to open the game and test out the functionality. If this doesn't work, you can try reconnecting, resyncing, but for the most part, this is all you have to do for compatible models. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Rock Band guitar to Xbox 360. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.